Hey guys, welcome to day 6. It's almost been a week since I started this challenge. I hope you guys are liking it, and for today, I'll choose a topic. Egypt. A very fascinating country. I'm already excited. Let's see what I can come up with. Let's go. Ancient Kingdom of the Pharaohs, Egypt is the site of one of the world's oldest civilizations with a recorded history of 5,000 years. For my art today, I decided to merge various elements of Egyptian culture and art. It is a land of astonishing contrasts between rich and poor. The lush Nile Valley and the surrounding desert, wretched hovels and huge monuments to the past. This symbol I'm drawing is called Eye of Horus. This is an Egyptian symbol of protection, royal power, and good health. Egyptian blue, also known as calcium copper silicate, is a pigment that was used in ancient Egypt for thousands of years. It is considered to be the first synthetic pigment. This particular combination of yellow and blue can be seen in many Egyptian elements. In Egyptian art, snakes are represented as both enemy and ally depending on the situation. Egyptians worshipped many animals sacred to particular deities. The one I'm drawing now is the pharaoh hound. It originated in ancient Egypt. This hound is known to be one of the oldest domesticated dogs in recorded history. The element I am drawing now is the sun. Ra was the primary name of the sun god of ancient Egypt. Egyptians were one of the first major civilizations to codify design elements in art and architecture. This teardrop-shaped cross is the Egyptian symbol called Ankh or key of life. The pyramids of ancient Egypt were royal tombs built on the west side of the Nile from the 3rd dynasty of pharaohs to the 18th dynasty. Many of the pharaohs built their own pyramids in which their mummified bodies might be preserved for eternity. One can see numerous temples and burial grounds, including the Valley of the Tombs of the Kings. Egypt is also of great interest as a modern place to visit. The sheer moment and vitality of its great cities present excitement and color. Ancient Egyptian art mainly included of paintings, sculptures, and other forms of art drawn on naturally available canvases. Egyptian lotus is the national flower of Egypt. Some of the Egyptian gods are depicted with wings. Wings symbolize safety because they are depicted as outspread, which is a protective gesture. One of the natural canvases Egyptians used to draw on or paint on is papyrus. This is a material prepared from the stem of a water plant used in sheets for writing or to paint on. Most of the Egyptian art is symbolic. These symbols had their own order through the use of certain colors and designs. Bastet is the ancient Egyptian goddess worshipped in the form of a cat. She was believed to be the goddess of domesticity, fertility, and childbirth. It was believed that she protected the home from evil spirits and diseases, especially related with women and children. Their pottery included objects for storage, preparation, transport, and consumption of food and drinks. So, this is the artwork that I made with elements that interested me. Here's a close up on all the elements. Do let me know which was your favorite one.